What I like most is the fact that we are helping people during a very difficult time. From my personal experience, I know what it is to be told that your loved one has been diagnosed with a terminal disease. And you go through so many different emotions and questions that most people don't have answers to. But I feel like when clients come to us who've been diagnosed with mesothelioma, we can answer a lot of those questions for them, which kind of lightens the load just a little bit. You know, I can come to work every day and leave work every day feeling good about what I do. I don't think there's any lawyers around that has more knowledge and has more passion for what they do than the attorneys and the staff that work here. And that makes me feel good.
Well, as an investigator, we're one of the first people who interview the clients. Our job is to figure out where and how they were exposed to asbestos. Because our clients come from so many different backgrounds, trying to figure out where they're exposed to asbestos, you have to figure out what their job was, put yourself in their shoes, how things work. And I'm a naturally curious person, so I'm always finding out new things.
I view my role here as being responsible for the behind-the-scenes work that needs to be done so that the attorneys and my coworkers can focus their attention on our clients and their cases. I've always been impressed by the level of professionalism and dedication that everybody here has always shown to the cases and to the clients. And I've always thought that I've been proud to be able to say that I work here. And I hope to God I never need the services of our office, but if my family did, these are the people I would want fighting for us.
I work with them for a couple of weeks until we can figure out where their exposure to asbestos was, and so that Stephen can meet with them and be able to sit down with them and tell them in an instructive manner, how asbestos litigation works, what we can hopefully do or what we can hopefully offer them. So we just try and offer some little bit of hope out there that at least we can provide some good out of the process.
When a new client calls, I make sure that they do not go into a voicemail. I'll find a live body because I don't know what stage they're in when they call. Sometimes they're frightened, sometimes they're just worried, and they want to make sure that they just don't go unnoticed. So I like to make sure that they feel special. It's very natural. I treat people the way I like to be treated.
Without question, what's been most rewarding for me has been the experience of meeting families that are going through the most difficult of times and seeing something within them that makes them feel confident that we're there to help, we'll be able to help, and watching them as they come to realize that we are helping.